city government of Bugo, kay mayor at kay vice mayor, kasi nag-identify sila ng Magakinan na area. This is a 20-hectare property, but we think we will only be using maybe 6 to 7 hectares. Pero malaki yun.
Okay, we have set ng roads and bridges.
Tuloy-tuloy yun. We have to do everything in parallel. In fact, I was speaking to RD, they will, nagawa na natin, no? Clear na tayo from city, Cebu City, all the way to the north. Ngayon, ang next is kailangan ng ayusin. So the rehabilitation will already begin maybe in the next 2 days by Monday. No, ayusin na yung bridges, ayusin na yung roads permanently.
Okay.
You can put up an emergency hospital with an operating room. Pero palagi ko hindi pa kailangan, mayroon naman tayo dito eh. Pero kung kakailangan, you can put it up. Because kaya may doktor, may surgeon, lahat yan. And in every Red Cross chapter, we make sure that there are volunteer doctors who will come. So, Bugo Hospital, meron.
By the way, yung Bugo Hospital, naayos na. I think the entire, all the buildings are almost cleared.
Cleared na po.
But there are, the patients who were outside are now inside na. So, yun naman ang maganda doon. Siguro, Vice, we just need reassurances from the LGU and the government that the buildings are safe. Kasi siyempre may trauma pa yan. Natatakot because of the aftershocks. But we've already assessed the building. It is good. And we're very happy that the patients are already inside, comfortable, naka-aircon. At hindi na sila nahihirapan sa labas.
There's a hospital sa Bugo. We have a medical tent there. So may mga doktor doon. So tutulungan pa rin yung mga tao. Hanggang ngayon pa namin na. Pag wala na, alisin na namin.
Okay?
Thank you.